Today we're doing counting. We're going to count how many times we can whoosh through the muddy puddle. Here we go, number 1. Whoa!
Yeah. Good, go, ready, steady, faster you go, oh my goodness.
Number 2. Number 3. Wow. Number 4. So fast. Here we go, number 5. It's so funny. And again for number 6.
Oh my goodness.
Number 7.
Yeah, I did it.
What's this? Number 8 with the go-kart. Wow, that looks fun. 8. That's 8 times through the muddy puddle. Time for a spin trick on the go-kart. We'll wrap things up with a big cuddle. Better run inside and take off those muddy boots. Today we counted to 8. That's the end. Hooray for muddy puddles! Woohoo!